Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Cindy. How was the holiday? I'm very positive it was nice and you really enjoyed it. Really, I've not had enough of this holiday. I had to take a full month of rest from YouTube just to make sure I come up with a masterpiece. So this year is a promising year, and trust me, I am praying for everybody, and this year is going to do us well. So now for today's video, we have been making gameplays on the Betzero, one of my favorite tricks I came up with, and this is a trick that helps you know what numbers will not make it in the next 3 to 4 draws. So watch, the numbers 2 and 3 will not make it in the next draw. Just watch. And now I'm going all in. I'm picking 2 numbers for this particular video, so for the rest of this video it will roll over 4-5 times without appearing. So numbers 2 and 3, in the next 3 to 4 draws you won't see them even after this. So let's wait for the first outcome. You see, that's the first win. So let's focus on it. We're going again. Trust me, we are rolling over this time. I'll be going again with the second, placing my bet completely. Now watch, as I go all in, I've put everything I have. So watch now. Just pay attention. Watch. Just wait for the outcome. So if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say a very big thank you. This is Cindy Virtuals. Here you are guaranteed of making returns for every single amount you stake in. So watch now, it was coming out. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, and do not forget to share it. I'm still going in again. The next one is going to definitely be a win, because remember I told you we are rolling over these 2 numbers. Watch now. Just pay attention. I'm going all in again. I'm staking everything. Watch. Remember I told you this is a very unique formula. Once you WhatsApp the number on your screen, I'm going to tell you what I looked out for to pick out the numbers. There are a lot of numbers that didn't make it, but then I chose this one because I am very confident that these ones will not make it in the next draw. And there's a secret to this, to picking the smallest possible numbers of all the 4 numbers that might come up in the signals you look out for. You see, that was a win. Okay, the network is stopping it, so let's wait while the network gets restored. So it's a win. The next outcome also, the next game is also going to be 2 and 3 not making it. So watch. You see, so what happened, the network did not restore the balance, but as you can see, it is still 2 and 3. This is the benefits of using the demo account. So watch this now. 2 and 3 will not make it. So while I'm done with it, you will see that it didn't make it. So just not focusing on the balance, focus on the outcome. Watch, it won't make it. If I had staked this, it wouldn't have made it. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to WhatsApp the number on your screen, like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.